Hello Electroheads, today I'm in Paris for the launch of a very eccentric car, and something that looks like this could only been produced by one manufacturer. This is the Citroen Oli. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you some interesting facts about this vehicle, which for now is a concept, which essentially could shake up the whole car industry as we know it. As you guys know, because we talk about it all the time, electric cars are getting heavier and heavier, and that poses a bit of an issue because let's face it, that's never what going electric was about. Going electric was supposed to be about reducing our consumables and helping the environment. By building these massive heavy cars, we're almost doing the opposite of that. Well, that is where the Citroen Oli is set to change all of those perceptions. This is a vehicle which has been built to shake up the industry, to produce an electric car which can go further but still be super light and versatile. As a result, its all-electric powertrain needs only a 40 kilowatt-hour battery to deliver a target range of up to 400 kilometres. Oli features a flat bonnet, roof and pickup bed panels, which as well as driving the vehicle's unique silhouette, were chosen to meet the objectives for low weight, high strength and maximum durability. So pride of place on the new Citroen Oli is this, which is the new Citroen badge. And it kind of symbolises going back to basics. This is almost very similar to the original Citroen badge. And that is exactly what the Citroen Oli is doing. It's going back to a time when vehicles were getting us from A to B without loads of screens and loads of different functionalities. This vehicle is stripping that all back. The windscreen is vertical because it's the shortest distance between the top and bottom and uses the smallest amount of glass. As well as reducing weight and complexity, the smaller screen is less expensive to produce or replace. On top of all of this, there's also a very significant feature of the Citroen Oli, and that's also how our repair bills look, because that's a big thing about affordability. You can have an affordable car, but if you always have to service it and change parts, it can get quite expensive. Again, the Citroen Oli is shaking that up. Take these tyres for instance. These are collaboration with Goodyear, and they've produced these tyres to last extremely longer. These can last up to 500,000 kilometres, which is a game changer. No longer will we be constantly having to change out tyres. These should last almost the car's lifetime for some families. And then you just have the way that it's set up as well. You've got this two-part section of the alloy wheel. Essentially, what this is it's so it's easily repaired. Rather than having to switch out a whole alloy wheel, you can just pop off different parts and replace them, really helping to get that sustainable feel. Because full aluminium wheels are expensive and energy intensive to produce, and full steel wheels are heavy, the decision was to combine the two. The resulting hybrid wheels are 15% lighter than the equivalent steel wheel, contributing to an overall weight reduction of 6 kilograms. The tyre tread compound is also made of nearly all sustainable or recycled materials, including things like sunflower oils, as well as parts of pine tree residue for natural rubber, which replaces the synthetic petroleum-based materials. And check this out. How incredible is the interior of this car? Although I should have really put a pre-warning in for trichophobia because, yeah, it's a little bit quirky. Essentially, everything in this vehicle has been designed to reduce weight and make it a lot more economical. For instance, the seats are super lightweight, but they also have these holes which helps for ventilation through to the back seats. Also, just like the Ami, the Oli should be able to be completely customizable. They've taken 3D printing to another level. Everything can be 3D printed to be completely customized. And also, check this bar out across the front. You actually have a removable speaker, which again, if you wanted to go somewhere with your speaker, you can just take it with you, meaning that it's so versatile. Imagine taking this car to the beach. You've got your surfboards in the back, you've got your friends in the back seats, and you can take out your speakers And of course, because it has that vehicle to load system, you can also plug your Oli into your cool box or into your barbecue, and you can have a full party powered by your Oli.
Citroen claims that many people find their small SUV is no more practical than a compact hatchback, so Oli has an unusual pickup bed with trunk below, which is a thought-provoking take on how to get the best of several worlds. Oli supports vehicle-to-load capability and has an output of 3.6 kilowatts and can theoretically provide a power to 300-watt device for around 12 hours. Perfect for an active lifestyle. Instead of a full dashboard with multiple screens and hidden computers, Oli features a single symmetrical beam running across the width of the vehicle, which hangs the steering column and wheel on one side. There's also a smart dock and 5 clearly identified toggle switches for the air conditioning system in the centre.
A couple of things to comment when it comes to the bonnet and the windscreen. So the bonnet and the roof are actually so strong that you can stand on the Oli, and you'd think that that must mean it's made out of a really expensive and robust material. But no, under here you've got corrugated cardboard, which doesn't sound like it'd be robust, but it's actually stronger than some metals. And then you've got the windscreen, completely up straight, which is very rare for what we see in cars. But Citroen have done this yet again so that it can be replaced at a low cost, just reducing all of those consumables. The versatility of the Oli continues in the rear with this almost pickup style. This makes it really simple for loading items in. And actually you can completely flatten the rear seats, giving you even more storage space.
With Oli, Citroen is on a mission to convey serious messages about the future of affordable, sustainable and enjoyable family mobility, along with the future of the brand itself. Oli itself may just be a concept, but significantly, customers can expect to see many of the concepts and innovations showcased in Oli flowing through Citroen's future electric family vehicles. It may look outrageous, but we love the direction Citroen are heading in. Be sure to let us know your thoughts on the Oli in the comments down below, and subscribe to more content from Electroheads.